Have you ever wanted to lessen the time needed to identify must-have test cases based on a requirement or acceptance criteria? QualityWatcher has just the tool for the job. Our rapid test case generator allows testers to generate quality test cases with ease, and I'm here to show you how to do so. First, let's sign up or sign in. Now let's explore what rapid test case generation is all about. On the left, we see our history and a call to action for us to start a new chat to generate new test cases. If you're not sure what test cases you would like to create, we have a call to action that generates an example for you. By clicking on the button, an example gets generated in the chat box. Now let's click on the button that says Generate My Test Cases. Now watch quality test cases, both positive and negative, being generated for you. You'll see the chat generate test title, test type, preconditions, test data, steps, and expected results for you. You can download these test cases to further refine and import them into your test case manager. If you don't have a test case management tool, you can try out QualityWatcher, our test management platform. You can also add your own SNOW tests to generate instead of using the examples provided. Now go ahead and give our AI tools a try and let us know how it has improved your testing. Happy testing.